Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? Buckle up. Today we're blasting off to explore the solar system. Our solar system is the sun, and everything that travels around it. 8 planets, dozens of moons, and millions of space rocks. At the center is the sun, a giant ball of burning gas so huge that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. The sun's powerful gravity acts like an invisible rope, pulling on the planets and keeping them looping around it. 8 planets orbit the sun. Let's zoom past every single one, from the closest all the way to the farthest. The 4 closest planets are small and rocky. The 4 farthest are huge balls of gas and ice. 2 very different families. First up, Mercury, the smallest planet and the fastest, racing around the sun quicker than anywhere else. Next is Venus, wrapped in thick poisonous clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet of all. Then comes Earth, our home. It's the only planet we know with oceans, fresh air, and living things like you and me. Circling Earth is the Moon. Its gravity is gentle, so astronauts can bounce around in giant floaty leaps. Mars is the red planet, covered in rusty dust and home to the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. Between Mars and Jupiter spins the asteroid belt, millions of rocky leftovers from when the planets formed. Jupiter is the king of the planets, so enormous that all the others could fit inside, with a storm bigger than Earth. Saturn shows off thousands of dazzling rings made of ice and rock, wide enough to surf all the way around. Uranus is the oddball. It's tipped right over and rolls around the sun on its side, like a ball that fell down. Far, far away is Neptune, a deep blue world with the fastest, most ferocious winds in the whole solar system. Quick check. True or false? The sun is a planet? False. The sun is a star, the only one in our solar system. Out past Neptune are dwarf planets, little worlds like Pluto, once called a planet, but now in a club of its own. Sometimes icy comets swing close to the sun and grow long, glowing tails that streak across the sky. Our sun is just one of billions of stars in a giant spinning galaxy we call the Milky Way. How do we learn all this? With rockets, telescopes, and robot rovers that travel where we can't go yet. Could there be life on other worlds? Scientists are searching right now and nobody knows for sure. Our solar system is a huge, amazing place, and we have only just begun to explore it. Maybe one day, you will be the astronaut who discovers something new. Thanks for exploring with us. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Big. See you next time, explorers.